We're doing the song called No Longer Slaves. Okay, I think that's at the BPM of 66. We're going to be in the key of C so that things can go through simpler. We have GarageBand with a click track on it. And the progression is 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 1. So we're just going to be going through. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. So we start with the 4, 5, 1. And that where that 1 is, that's where we're going to be putting the 3, 6, 2, 5. Go through that again.